Do you ever look at your statement and it has the mutual fund and then an A after it? What does that mean? We're going to get into that in this video. So if you have a mutual fund and then there's an A after it or before it or wherever else or in the middle of it, an A is the share class. So it's share class A, which usually means upfront commission for the agent. And so it'll pay an upfront commission. Now these upfront commissions can be anywhere from we've seen them as low as 1 or 2%, all the way up to 5.75%. And you know, basically the way that happens is when you submit money, if it's $100, well, they take 5.75% out and they send it to the agent. And it pays them an upfront commission. And then on top of that, there's ongoing expense ratios. Now, just because you have an A share doesn't necessarily mean that you paid an upfront commission. Most of the time it does, but sometimes people can use A share and do it load waived, but barely ever. Usually if you have an A share, that means you're paying an upfront ongoing commission. Now, if you have it set up and it was a one-time payment and it's already done. You know, it's that the commission's been paid, it's been taken out, it's been sent. But if you're doing ongoing payments, you just have to be careful because you're doing those ongoing 5.75% is coming out. And then on top of that, they're charging you, you know, anywhere from 0.2 to almost 2% an ongoing expense ratios on top of that. So just know, if you have that A share, look at the prospectus, call the company, ask what that means, ask how much of an upfront commission you're paying. The other thing to know is you might have breakpoints. So sometimes it's 5.75%, but then if you have 50,000 or more, it might go down to 5. And then if you have 100,000 or more, it might go down again and again and again. So you might be paying pretty low. So that's just something to think about if you have those A shares, and you should know how much you're paying out and how much is coming out of your hard-earned money before it's ever even invested. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want more information about retirement and investing, making money easy, you can go ahead and click here. Or if you'd like to subscribe, it really helps the channel. And then you also get updates when we release new information. You can click here to do that. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day.